The
So you can
history of
see that
accounting
actually it
account
was
or
ancient
accountancy can be traced
Mesopotamians
to
that why
ancient
we can consider
civilization. The
that
early
where accounting
development
is
of accounting
begun
dates back
in
to
history.
ancient Mesopotamia and is
Basically, it was
closely
accounting
related to developments
of
in writing,
agriculture
accounting,
products
and money and early
produce
auditing
etc.
systems
So they can we
by
can
the
understand what is
ancient
their production,
Egyptians and
how much they
Babylonians.
produce, and how
By
much
the
they can
time of
earn.
Roman Empire, the government had access to detailed financial information. But the father of modern accounting is Italian Luca Pacioli, who in 1494 first described the system of double entry bookkeeping using by Venetian merchants in his book Summa di Arithmetica Geometrica.
So you can actually see he was the main founder of accounting in our history, as he was the person who invented the double entry accounting system. Early development of accounting. Historically, development of accounting was closely related to developments in writing, accounting, and money. It took place in Mesopotamia, as we already told you. Counting and money. Early accounting records were also found in the ruins of ancient Babylon. Other early accounting records were also found in the ruins of ancient Babylon. The people of that time relied on primitive accounting methods to record the growth of relied and herds on primitive accounting. They were basically agricultural farmers and herds, and the herders. They were basically because there was a natural farmers season to farming and herding. It was easy because there was a natural and determine if a surplus had been gained and herding. It was easy to count the young and determine if a surplus had been gained. On the right side, if there is a globular or the young known as bulla. You can see on the right side if there is a globular
Used initially
bulla with a cluster of accounting tokens
which were used initially by for counting.
Development in the role of accountant. The ruling leaders and priests in ancient Iran had people oversee financial matters. Cylindrical tokens that were used for bookkeeping on clay scripts were found in buildings that had large rooms for storage of crops. The expansion of commerce and business expanded the role of accountant. The Phoenician invented a phonetic alphabet, probably for bookkeeping purposes, based on the Egyptian hieratic script, and there is evidence that an individual in ancient Egypt held the title as comptroller of the scribes. There is also evidence for an early form of accounting in the Old Testament. For example, the book of Exodus describes Moses engaging Ithamar to account for the material that had been contributed towards the building of a tabernacle. So you can see the development of the role of accountant. It started to develop from Iran, where they used the cylindrical tokens for bookkeeping, and later on it developed when was done by Phoenician merchants. So historically, there was some role of accountancy or content, as it was necessary to record different kind of data.
When medieval Europe moved towards a monetary economy in the 13th century, merchants depended on the bookkeeping to oversee multiple simultaneous transactions financed by bank loans. Or one important thing that happened was double entry bookkeeping. Bookkeeping in which there was a debit and credit entry for each transaction, for which the majority of transactions were intended to be of this form. The historical origins of the use of the word debit and credit in accounting goes back to the days of single entry bookkeeping, which had its chief objective keeping track of amounts owned by the customers, debtors, and amount owed to creditors. Debit in Latin means he owes, and credit in Latin means he trusts.